They said I'd never make it, but 30,000 of you proved them wrong. That's how many people tune in to my channel, Big Al. Week in, week out. And all I want to say is, loud and clear, thank you very much. When I started this channel, people laughed. People took the mick out of me. Some said to me it was a waste of my time. The worst ones, they said nothing, just idly watched me to see if I would succeed or fail. Some of them just waited hoping that I would fail. I remember the early days when I started this program, paying high amounts of money for staff. Some people stole from me, no longer working in my team. One even smiled to my face, patted me on the back, and then privately deleted my tags on my channel just to sabotage my business. And here I am, working this YouTube business alone. Several times I've had absolute desires to just shut it all down, thinking, is it really worth this? And only after 10 months of the hardest work that I have ever done, I've managed to sustain 30,000 customers who watch me on a daily basis, and I make thousands in revenue every month as a consequence of this. So as far as I'm concerned, all my subscribers are simply my customers, and they deserve the attention that I give all my customers my attention. I've lost time and I've lost money, and I nearly lost the will to keep going with this YouTube event, but I didn't. And while all the ones that wanted my failure to occur, here I am, unbelievably 30,000 people in, and I really feel glad that I didn't stop what I'm doing. To all the people that wanted to start a YouTube channel, all I can say to you guys is, try it. You might actually do quite okay. I'm 52 years of age, and I'm a dumb fart, and I can do it. So why not you? Why not start a channel with a niche interest, just like myself? If there's anything I planned out to do was actually to try and mentor young people. That never turned out the way I expected, but I'm still trying very hard to battle things like mental health, investing and inspiring young entrepreneurs in Northern Ireland to do well, continuing on my day-to-day business and my struggles as a business person based here in Northern Ireland. So what has happened is it started to move after 2 to 3 months of sheer determination to keep going, the indefatigability that I use to keep going. And I'm here now. 30,000. My big plan to get 100 million views by the time I get 100,000 subscribers. So you all started joining me on my lives, which happened every Sunday, but moved to Tuesday because of other YouTubers. You continually log into my packing days. You log in and you watch everything I do. And I'm eternally grateful for everything that you have done to support my journey throughout since I'd done that first episode on the fairy tree. Not a furry tree, but a fairy tree. If you want to have a look at it, it's there. It's quite basic, but we did it. And now we're doing videos that are hitting 50, 60,000 views per day. And I'm amazed by one of them that hit 1.4 million views. And there are lots more to come on my journey. I myself am going to do another video today on the Heritage Department. So the shorts, I continue to do shorts, and they've exploded from 200 to 2,000 to 20,000 views now. But people still doubt me. Right now, there are people watching this video seething at my success. But I welcome it because this is my drive. Their desire to see me fail is my retort to see myself succeed. So keep negatizing me, people, because it'll not be long before I do hit that 1 million subscriber. I've worked for 18-hour days, filmed in freezing conditions with rainy roofs, broken down rentals, and through it all, I paid the price. Camera gear, software costs, data plans, time away from my family, sleepless nights editing through the night, and of course, answering nearly every DM that's been sent to me. But I kept showing up, and you kept showing up. Every comment, every like, every subscriber. I thank you all. You built this with me, and you are a part of the YouTube Big Al community. But 30,000 is only a third of the way, as you know. My big target, 100,000 subscribers, as quick as I could possibly achieve it, but I won't lie, it does scare me a little. But then again, so did 100, and of course 1,000, and then the 10,000. So we've come this way so far together. Let's just go for the next year. To end, to everybody that doubted me, thank you. You just made me work harder. To those who believed in me, thank you. You made me believe it's possible. And to them 30,000 legends that subscribe to my channel, we're just getting started. Thank you.